Hi, Lauren. So we're curious first, why did you choose to go into the career that you went into upon graduation?
And what did you do?
All right. So I guess the industry I'm in is the pharmaceutical industry, and it's something I kind of always, I guess, been interested in. I think like how drugs work in the body and stuff has always been interesting to me. So while I was at Lafayette, I minored in biotech, so I got to take some interesting classes. Like through the chemistry department, there was like the drug delivery elective, and then like psychopharmacology and some biology classes. So that kind of confirmed, I guess, my interest in that. And also, I had two internships while Lafayette in the pharma industry. So that, sort of showed me like what it was like to work in that field, and I enjoyed that. So I guess coming out of graduation, I looked for jobs that were in that industry. And I guess part of it I also enjoy is being able to feel like you're kind of like directly helping people and helping people like improve their health and stuff like that.
And who did you work for? What was your day to day at work? What did you do for your profession?
Yeah. So I work for Sanofi Pasteur. They're a division of the large company Sanofi. So they are the vaccine division. So they manufactured various vaccines. So the job I had, it was like a 2-year rotational program. So I rotated through like 4 different departments, which was good. I didn't know entirely what I wanted to do in the pharma industry when I started. I kind of knew that's what I was interested in, but didn't really know what. So I thought the rotational program was a good opportunity to be able to see like different sides from manufacturing to quality to different types of engineering. So I guess I kind of had like 4 different jobs after college within that, but it was good to be able to kind of figure out what my interests were. So
Cool, very cool. And so you decided to go back to school. Why did you make that decision, and what are you doing now?
so I guess through the rotation program, I kind of realized that I was kind of more interested in the R&D side of the industry. And in talking with people that work there, I kind of realized that a graduate degree would definitely be helpful to kind of get more into the R&D side of things. So I started looking into going back to school, and I just started this semester, my first semester in grad school. So I'm going for pharmacology, and just learning more about kind of like the drug discovery process and how to design drugs, and stuff like that. So yeah, it's been good so far. Just starting back, getting into school mode after working for 2 years, but it's been good.
And did you find that transition difficult to go from working back to school?
I think it was difficult. Maybe like the first month was a little bit of an adjustment period, just trying to get back into, doing homework and, studying and stuff. But, I think I was able to get back into it pretty easily after that. I mean, it was a lot of the same kind of like study skills that you had to use in undergrad and stuff. So just trying to get back into that. But yeah, I think more of the adjustment was it's a lot bigger university than Lafayette. So I guess just going into classes with like hundreds of people where the professor doesn't know you has been kind of an adjustment. But yeah, it's been good.
Do you wish you would have done it differently, maybe? So go right back into school and then start working? Or are you glad that you had that experience to help refine what you wanted to do in graduate school?
No, I think I'm glad that I worked for a few years first, because I was looking when I was coming out of undergrad whether I wanted to go grad school or right into industry, but I didn't know entirely what I wanted to major in. Would I go back to like continue chemical engineering, or would I do something else? So I think it was good to kind of work for a bit and kind of confirm what I was interested in, and talk to people who worked in industry to see like kind of what they got their graduate degrees in and what would make most sense. So I think working for me was good beforehand.
Well, thank you so much. That has been awesome. Is there anything else you would like to tell the first year students?
Yeah, no, I guess just I think you're probably still deciding between, different types of engineering. So, just go with whatever, you feel you're most interested in. And, I don't think you can really make a wrong decision. So just kind of go with what you're interested in.
All right, thank you so much.